Electrical discharge machining, also called EDM, is a machining method that uses the electrical discharge phenomenon that occurs between the electrode and the workpiece in oil to transfer the electrode shape to the workpiece surface with electric heat. Graphite is used as the EDM electrode and is used for mold making and other applications. Graphite is used in EDM because of its lightweight, excellent machinability, and low cost. Graphite is about 1/5 the weight of copper, making it easy to process large products that cannot be handled with copper electrodes. Graphite is structurally superior to other materials in terms of machinability, allowing electrodes to be fabricated in a shorter time than copper or copper-tungsten electrodes. Graphite is less expensive and more readily available than copper. Let's look at price trends over the past 10 years. Copper prices have fluctuated widely and have risen sharply. Toyo-Tanso can propose material selection, design, and machining from a wide range of materials by our professional engineers. We contribute to customers' productivity improvement, stable production, and quality improvement. We have sales offices in Japan and abroad, so please feel free to contact us. Please check our contact information in the overview section. We look forward to hearing from you.